Okie dokie, fifth graders. This is Eights. This is a fun song. I listened to Miss Bjorgan sing it, and at first I could not place what the song was. And then I realized it was Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So let's practice those eights. Now I will say, I'm going to go ahead and write this now. This might help you if you're trying to remember the songs and you just can't. Make yourself a note at the top. That 3 was Schoolhouse Rock. 4 was Twinkle Twinkle. So when you're trying to think of the songs, that might help you if you can remember the tunes. And maybe you don't know these songs, and that's okay. But if you do, it can help you. I'm actually not going to write that because I'm going to need to fit 7s and 8s. So if I had Mary had a little lamb. This one is the finger trick, so there's not a song with that one. But you might want to remind yourself of that. So, 8. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-E-R. Yeah. So I have 8. What is it doing? 8, 16, and 24, 32, and 40, 48, 56, 64, and 72. Those are the facts of 8, and I don't remember the end of the song. But the important part is the part before that anyway. 8, 16, and 24, 32, and 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and do a little dance. So, play this as many times as you need to really get this song in your head. Because the more you know this song, the more you can remember your multiples, the easier it will be for you to do your multiplication. You can use a multiplication chart. That is also a strategy, but these are also good things to learn because you won't always have a chart. So your assignment, again, is another coloring page. Coloring is optional, but writing your facts isn't. Good luck.